Today, this is a video for my shy, introverted students that have to speak, whether it's virtually or live. Now, chances are a lot of it's virtually these days, but being live, these tips will apply. And first off, let me say that if you're shy, if you're introverted, I may be a professional speaker and I'm a speech coach, but I'm with you. I am introverted. I like to recharge by myself. I don't like to spend time around a lot of people. When I speak, I do that, of course, but my idea of a perfect day is just be home with my family, read a book, just recharge on my own. So if you're shy, if you're introverted, trust me, I know what you're feeling, and I know that sometimes getting up in front of people to speak can be the worst thing to possibly do. So in this video, you're going to pick up 3 tips that are going to help you to be a little bit more confident when you speak. And if you keep practicing and keep doing these 3 things as well as keep speaking, you will get more confident when you speak. I promise, because I was in the same boat as you. Before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more videos that are going to help you to become a better speaker. Now, I've put these 3 tips into an acronym, SHY, because chances are, if you're watching this, you're a shy presenter and you want to be more confident. The S is for stand up. There is an energy that is in your body when you stand. And if you're speaking live, chances are you have to stand in front of the room. But if you're speaking virtually, you may have the option to sit down. I would suggest don't do that. Stand up. Make sure your camera is at nose level so that you're looking right at the camera. Make sure enough of your body is showing so that you can show your torso and your expression and your hand gestures. And make sure that you're standing. Because when you stand, you have an energy, you have more confidence, especially if you stand tall. Your physiology, the way you move, affects your psychology, the way you think. If you want to watch a TED Talk on this, watch Amy Cuddy's TED Talk about body language and how important it is when it comes to confidence. I'll put a link to that here. Make sure you watch that video. It's an amazing video, and it also backs up what I'm saying, that standing up gives you more confidence to speak. The H in our acronym is for have. Have a picture of someone that makes you feel comfortable, someone that's close to you behind the camera if you are speaking virtually, and take a look at the picture if you're going to be speaking live before you speak. But if you're speaking on camera, you can just tape it up somewhere where you can look just above the camera to see it, because chances are the people that you're looking at maybe are not family members or people that are close to you. But if you have a picture of someone you're comfortable with and you imagine you're just speaking to them, it will help you immensely when you're about to speak. And tip number 3, the Y in shy, is yes. Get a yes under your belts right away. What do I mean by that? Ask a question that most people will say yes to. Have you ever had this happen? You know how sometimes this happens and da-da-da-da? Ask a question to which people will say yes to. There's something psychologically when people say yes to you, it feels like they're in agreement with you. They are with you on the journey. They've participated. They've engaged with you. You're all saying yes. Smile when you acknowledge the people saying yes, and you'll start to feel more confident. So ask yourself, what question can I ask at the beginning of my talk? And what questions can I ask throughout my talk to kind of check in and see if there's a yes that I can get later on as well during my speech that will help my audience to engage with me. Let me know below, were these tips helpful to you? The SHY acronym of standing up, having a picture of someone that you're comfortable with, and getting a yes from your audience. Let me know what you think below. Which of these were helpful to you? Which of these have you tried before? And which will you try in the future? So remember these tips. If you like them, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. You can reach out to me by clicking below and also going to 52publicspeakingtips.com. The link is also below for that, to get weekly tips that will help you to become a better and more confident speaker. And also remember, if you like this video, check out these other videos that will help you to become an even better speaker than you are today and a more confident communicator.